In this video, I'm going to show you how to install HTML email signature in Mozilla Thunderbird. Now to do this, first you want to go to your inbox like this, and of course you want to go to the top right, click on the three lines, and click on account settings. You could also go and of course do this from within here, so if you are inside your email, you can right click on your inbox name. So in my case, of course, it's going to be this email, right click, and then from here click on settings. It's going to open the same thing. Now from here, as you can see, it says signature text. From here, you're going to have two options to install this HTML email signature. You could go and use HTML, so you can just click on here and you can paste your signature in here, or the second option, which we're going to use right now, is going to be to attach the signature from a file instead. So this could be text, HTML, or image. I'm going to go with HTML, of course, so I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click on choose, and then it's going to open up your computer's files. I'm going to go to my downloads folder because that's where I'm holding one. There we go. As you can see, I do have like a sample one over here, which I generated. I'm just going to click on this demo signature and I'm going to click on open. Now it's going to open it just like this. And as you can see, this step is now done. And of course, it's going to basically attach it in here automatically. Nothing has to be done whenever you've done this part. You can just go and go back to your email, write up a new message, and you'll see, there we go, over here, it's going to be showing your email signature. Now, again, this is just like an example over here, but for you, if you have your real signature, it's going to look just like this, and it's going to be attached to your emails from now on. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.